Ever since this quarantine started, I have been scrolling through cute outfit ideas on Pinterest, Instagram. It got me really inspired. I wanted to see if I could put together some cute outfits from the pieces I already own. I went through my closet, tried out some outfits, and here's what I found.
Hi guys, Arpita here. As you can see the title and my intro, today I'm going to show you 10 outfit ideas which you can wear after the quarantine. I know it will take some time, but we'll have some cute outfits to wear once this is all over. When I went through my wardrobe, I could pull out some regular wear like jeans and t-shirt or skirt and a top. A different kinds of cute outfits I could pull out, and I definitely need to clean out my closet again, which is like pending for the whole quarantine period. Now I have to do that. Yes, I will do that soon. Without any delay, let's get right into the video. Coming to this outfit, I'm wearing printed skirts with a plain knit top. These skirts were bought in Vietnam when I was there. It's bought on the street, and this top is a hand-me-down from one of my very good friends. And I'm wearing this neck piece, which is a gift from one of my very close relatives. I'm wearing some hairpins. These are bought for Kiki, but I also wear them. We both share our accessories. And I have my watch. So that's the easiest outfit which I can pull out from my wardrobe and look cute. And I'm going to wear sneakers on this outfit for sure. In this outfit, I've put together a palazzo pant and a spaghetti top. This palazzo pant is bought in an exhibition. I love the fabric, the thickness is good, and the traditional weave of the fabric is the best part of it. And I love these pom-pom detail over here, and there is a pocket for my mobile and a little cash. I love all the details in this pant. And this spaghetti top is from 2005 or something. I bought it from one of export surplus shops. I've added these accessories. This is a bangle, traditional Rajasthani style of bangles which those people wear all over the hand after the marriage. I have the whole set, and I wear only one whenever it is required. And this neck piece is a mother of pearl locket worn onto this choker kind of thing. These are all mixed from different jewelries. These are just pearls which I converted them into these earrings, and I love them. This is again a comfortable, very easy to put together outfit. For this outfit, I teamed denim with a sleeveless top and a vest. This torn denim is from Pepe, and the top is from one of my friends. It's a hand-me-down. And the vest is from an export surplus shop in Chennai. I bought this vest around 2005 to 7. And I wanted to team it with different kind of accessories. I've worn these bangles and silver pearl jhumkis, and I've worn a hairband which is from Kiki. As I told you earlier, we share things. Yeah, so this is an easy to put together outfit, and it feels so comfortable. I've pulled out some links where you can buy different kinds of tops and jackets, pants and accessories. Links are all in the description box. After watching this video, don't forget to check them out. I've picked out my favorite pieces of garment for this outfit. The shorts are linen shorts. These are with me from around 2007. Yes, I fit into it still. Some months back I was not fitting into this, and I felt really bad. Now I'm back onto it. This one is very comfortable. The fabric is very soft on the skin, and it has pockets which are my favorite ones. These are big bellow pockets. I can keep my mobile and cash and just go out. Let's talk about this top now. It's a front zip open jacket with hoodie. And I love to wear this sleeves up like this. It gives very casual street kind of look. This is one of the piece from my final fashion show collection from NIFT. I've stitched every bit of this garment by myself. I can never give this jacket up, and I love the color, the black denim and the shiny number detail on top of it. I really love it. This is very casual and very stylish look, and I've kept my hair very casual, no other accessories than my watch. So I really love this outfit. What do you think? Let me know that in the comments below. Okay. In this outfit you can see floral printed skater dress. This one is gifted by Krishna. He got it from London, and this t-shirt is a boys t-shirt which I bought from Max. I have a full video of a collection of t-shirts which I bought from Max. I'll leave the link in the description box. Just go ahead and check it out after watching this video. So when you have a boys t-shirt, you can make it look girly by adding a girly frock on top of it. And I've added one ring over here. This one is from Commercial Street, and then I've added one hairpin just to add that golden shiny touch to the hair. Other than that, there's nothing else. Just have a look how comfortable and how summery this outfit feels. Here I have a fit and flare embroidered and printed skirt teamed with a fitted crop top with sequins detail. I have added this jewelry. This is a leather thread and wooden beads, and everything is handmade crochet thing, and shells, beads, everything, which is gifted by one of my very close relative. This skirt is from around 2006 and 7. I still fit into it. I'm very proud of that. And this top is Kiki's top, which we bought from Max, which is a little bit loose on her. It's a bit tight for me, but I'm comfortable in this. This outfit here can be worn as formal, and then it can be taken to be a casual outfit for the summer outing. If you are going to office, you can just wear this jacket and just be a little formal. This jacket has been with me since 2005-6, around that time. And if you remove the jacket, this dress becomes a very pretty girly summery outfit. You can just go out with your friends. And I've added only this neck piece for this whole outfit. As you have seen, it goes with the formal feel and it goes with this casual feel as well. This has been with me for like around 20 years. I'm going to keep this for sure, and I'll be handing it down to Kiki. She already loves this. This denim dress is hand-me down from one of my good friends. It's a little bit boxy and it has a very big armhole. So I'm teaming this with a sports bra inside. Even if I move around, if it shows, it's alright. It's a bright sports bra. And then just to give a shape, I've added safety pins which I kept on top of it, so it's like a design detail again. I have this coin tribal jewelry which is adding to the whole vibe. I've added one hairband, cloth hairband. That's it. That's the whole look. I wanted this look to be very simple, plain and easy. This being a frock, it's airy and it's easy. It gives that casual, comfortable feel to the whole look. In this outfit, I have worn a track pant with stripes on the side, a loose top. I've just knotted it up in the front. And it's a cutaway armhole and high neck. I really love that feel for the summer. And this pant is from Max Fashion and this top is from Commercial Street. I've just added one ring over here. You must be noticing my hair. I've put it into two ponytails which will make you look a little younger than what you are. In this outfit, I've teamed denim shorts with a crop top. This denim short is high-waisted and snug-fitted. This is from a brand Lee and I've picked it out from men's section. This top here is from Big Bazaar. It's completely box fitted. I really love that feel to it. If you are picking a tighter bottom like this one, try to add a loose top, so it will balance the whole look. I've just added these huge hoop earrings, and I have put my hair up in half ponytail, and that's the whole vibe, and it looks really cool. Don't you think so? If you haven't tried clothes from men's section, you must try them. I started noticing the men's section clothes which are way comfortable for my style. So I generally try to look at men's section as well when I go for shopping. Those are the 10 outfit ideas which I have pulled out for you guys to get inspired from. I started recording this video in the noon and it's already 10:30. I wanted to show you guys 10 outfits, and putting them all together took me a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got inspired from these outfits, give this video a big thumbs up. I've pulled out some online shopping links for the tops, bottoms and accessories, all those things, and I kept those links in the description box for you guys. Go check them out. If you like something, you can purchase there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future video notifications, and follow me on Instagram for all the pictures and day-to-day updates of my life. Until my next video, bye.